How to fix Wells Fargo app not working in your Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about fixing the Wells Fargo mobile app not working on your device. So now let's get started. If you're using Android, go ahead and open your Play Store. And if you're using iPhone, go ahead and open your App Store. Then click on the search bar in the top and then type in Wells Fargo application. And once you find it, tap on it and then tap on update if it's available. And once updated, it fixes various bugs, glitches, and anything that is going wrong with the application. After that, if it still does not work, you can log into the Wells Fargo application, log out, and then log back in, and then open the app info. For that, tap and hold on to this application, tap on the eye icon in the top, or on iPhone, you can just simply go ahead and open the apps section. From here, go to storage and then tap on clear cache, and then stop this application and re-enable it again. But on iPhone, you can go to iPhone storage, search for the application, and then upload the app. Make sure that you go to battery and it's set to unrestricted or optimized, and all the permissions are allowed for the app. And if it's still not working, go ahead and uninstall it from your device. Also make sure that your internet connection is working properly. It's stable, strong, and reliable. You can also use the flight mode or the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds to reset the network settings. Last but not least, go ahead and restart your entire device, and this should definitely help you fix the app problems. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.